$1.6 billion. That's how much money is being wasted in unused gym memberships. And that's just the people who don't go. So what about the millions of people who do go to the gym? Let's take a look at what they're saying. So Danielle said, I came to this gym because I made it my goal to lose weight this year. So far, I've just found it really intimidating and really unhelpful. Will definitely be canceling my membership. Tina said, I felt like I couldn't get any help at all. Tried to ask the PTs for advice, but they basically just tried to sign me up for 10 sessions, and if I didn't want to, they wouldn't give me any advice. I hate that. Michelle said, these guys are the worst. It's been a nightmare to cancel my membership. I keep getting charges when I already told them months in advance that I don't want to have anything to do with them. Honestly, I wish reviews like this were rare, but frankly, they're not. So there's two common problems that we normally hear. Number one is that people don't really feel comfortable going into a gym. And number two is that when they do go, they have no idea what they're doing. But hey, we don't blame them. I mean, it can be hard, you know? Do you do that exercise or do you do that exercise? Oh crap, you definitely don't want to look like that guy. We've been in the home personal training game for a while now, but not everyone wants a PT at their home, and that's okay. So that's why we've launched our app and online program, Fit From Home, helping people get fit from, well, home. It was built for people that maybe don't want to go to a gym or they don't feel comfortable being in a gym, people who want the support from a trainer without actually seeing one, or people who want to know just exactly what they should be doing to get the results that they're after. With Fit From Home, you get a customized home or gym workout program. So it's tailored to your preferences and your fitness goals. Whether you prefer to train from home or in a gym environment, the trainer will tailor your ideal workout program for you. Convenient access to on-demand online workouts. Workouts you can do from home, whenever or wherever you like. Access to hundreds of delicious, healthy recipes and your own personal 3-day meal planner. And most importantly, here's the big one. You're gonna get 24/7 support from a trainer and a nutritionist, meaning you're never gonna look like this guy. Get the support you need from personal trainers and nutritionists that have been training people from home for years. Not to mention, they have countless success stories and over 2,000 5-star reviews. And guess what? You can get all of this for the price of an unused gym membership.